Okay, so we're back today with another video looking at the Persistence One ecosystem. Today I've got pSTAKE Finance for you, the liquid staking application built on the Persistence chain. So just like we saw with the Comdex application in one of the previous videos, the pSTAKE application is one of these app chains or applications either connecting to or being built directly on top of the Persistence main chain, that proof of stake blockchain built in the Cosmos ecosystem using the proof of stake consensus engine Tendermint. So we're going to be diving more into what pSTAKE is today in this video. It's one of the applications and products coming to Persistence very soon. They aim to be launching by June, and they aim to tap into over a $400 billion market. We're talking about staked assets or potentially staked assets across multiple different proof of stake chains. Just to give you some quick figures, as we can see from the pSTAKE.finance website, which I'll put a link to in the video description for you, we have already a total addressable market of over $500 billion worth of assets. As of the time of recording, this is around the level of $500 billion. It can fluctuate as values of assets go up and down. But we can see here, we've got over $100 billion worth of staked assets on Cosmos. Ethereum has over $200 billion worth of assets. And these aren't necessarily staked just yet. These are just assets that are available for staking. We have Polkadot with $70 billion. And between these three, we already have over $400 billion worth of assets. And these are all markets that are addressable for pSTAKE's application. On top of this, as of the time of recording, we have over $120 billion worth of assets already staked. So these are markets, or these are assets that can already be deployed in liquid staking applications like pSTAKE. And this is just looking at the top 25 staked assets on chains. So we can see here the top 25 chains already have $120 billion worth of assets that are staked. And this is according to stakingrewards.com. I will also put a link to this in the video description below. But it goes a little bit further than that, because what we see at the moment is Ethereum only has 4% of its current market cap actually staked. And this is likely to grow as we see Ethereum switch over to proof of stake, where more Ethereum is going to be staked on the network. And this is going to mean there's going to be more capital that can utilize applications such as pSTAKE. Now, I know I've given you a lot of figures to start this video off, but what exactly is pSTAKE and what does it do? You know, why is it valuable and why is it going to be a big application on Persistence? Well, to put it quite simply, pSTAKE allows you to take assets that you would be staking and locking up for those staking rewards and making them liquid. So essentially, you'll get a token given to you when you stake an asset through pSTAKE, and that token that you're given is backed one-to-one by your staked asset. You can then deploy the token you're given by pSTAKE into other areas of the DeFi ecosystem. So you can actually unlock capital or tokens that were previously locked up when you stake them. And this means you can earn yield on the unlocked tokens on top of the staking yields that you already get in return. So this is a massive use case for a massive part of the ecosystem that's going to get more and more popular. The more Ethereum gets staked, the more Cosmos gets staked or Atom gets staked, and so on. Now, I've got a little bit of a visualization